Good morning, students. Today we will learn the use of grouping symbols and solve exercise 8D. When we make operations on two or more algebraic expressions, we separate them by the symbols of grouping, namely the smaller bracket or parenthesis, braces or the middle bracket, also called curly bracket, and the big square bracket. In simplifying such expressions, we first remove the grouping symbols using the laws given below. What is the first law? If a plus sign precedes a symbol of grouping, the grouping symbol may be removed without any change in the sign of the terms. Right? That means the plus sign does not change the sign which are inside the brackets given. The second point is, if a negative sign or minus sign precedes a symbol of grouping, the grouping symbol may be removed and the sign of each term is changed. That means if there is a minus sign before the bracket, then all the signs inside the bracket will be changed. Plus will become minus and minus will become plus. The third point is, if more than one grouping symbol is present in an expression, we remove the innermost grouping symbol first and combine the like terms if any. We continue the process outwards until all the grouping symbols have been removed. That means when there are all the brackets used, for example smaller bracket, middle bracket, square bracket, what we do, we remove the brackets by changing the symbols, operation signs according to the rules mentioned in 1 and 2, and then we collect all the like terms together and then we solve them. So let's do few sums to understand all these three rules once again. Exercise 8D, question number 1. A minus in bracket b minus 2a. Since here the negative sign is before the smaller bracket, so we are removing it by changing the signs within the bracket. So this expression becomes a minus b, and before 2a we have negative signs, so minus into minus is plus, so a minus b plus 2a, and a plus 2a becomes 3a minus b, which is our answer. Question number 2. 4x minus in smaller bracket 3y minus x plus 2z. Here again before the bracket we have a negative sign. So this expression will become 4x minus 3y plus x minus 2z. Now 4x plus x, it is 5x, 3y minus 3y and 2z minus 2z. So our answer is 5x minus 3y minus 2z. Question number 3. A square plus b square plus 2ab in bracket minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So again here the negative sign precedes the second middle smaller bracket, so we remove it and we will be changing the sign of the each term within. So we write it again as a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a square, plus into minus is minus, minus b square, and minus into minus is plus, plus 2ab. Now let's keep the similar term side by side. So a square minus a square plus b square minus b square plus 2ab plus 2ab. So a square minus a square is 0. Again b square minus b square is 0. And 2ab plus 2ab is 4ab, which is our answer. Question number 4 is your homework, and question number 5 is minus 4x square plus curly bracket then smaller bracket 2x square minus 3 smaller bracket closed minus again smaller bracket open 4 minus 3x square smaller bracket closed middle bracket closed. Here first we will remove the smaller bracket and then in the next step we will remove the middle bracket or the curly bracket. We write it as minus 4x square plus middle bracket open 2x square minus 3 minus 4, minus into minus is plus, plus 3x square middle bracket closed. Then again in the next step 4x square plus, now we are solving this curly bracket, all these terms within the curly bracket. So it is minus 4x square plus within the curly bracket 5x square minus 7. Now since before the curly bracket or middle bracket we have a plus sign, so we simply write it as minus 4x square plus 5x square minus 7, and our answer is x square minus 7, right? Next question, question number 6 is minus 2 in smaller bracket x square minus y square plus xy minus 3 smaller bracket open x square plus y square minus xy. Now again here minus sign is preceding before both the smaller brackets. So we will remove them and we will be changing the sign of the each term within the two smaller brackets. So it becomes minus 2x square. Minus 2 into minus y square is plus 2y square. Then it is minus 2xy. Again minus 3x square minus 3y square, and minus 3 into minus xy will be plus 3xy. Now we will be writing the similar terms together. Either you can use this smaller brackets or you can simply write minus 2x square minus 3x square plus 2y square minus 3y square minus 2xy plus 3xy, and after solving this we are getting minus 5x square minus y square and plus xy, right? Question number 7. A minus square bracket 2b minus curly bracket 3a minus smaller bracket 2b minus 3c smaller bracket closed middle bracket closed square bracket closed. So here we will be removing all the brackets one by one, starting with the smaller bracket followed by middle bracket and then the big bracket or the square bracket. So a minus 2b will be within the square bracket, then minus again middle bracket, then 3a. Now we have minus sign before the smaller bracket, so it becomes minus 2b, and minus into minus 3c becomes plus 3c. Middle bracket closed, square bracket closed. Then again in the next step we have to now remove the middle bracket. So it is a minus square bracket open 2b minus 3a. Why? Because minus is before the middle bracket, then it is minus 2b. So minus into minus becomes plus 2b. Then again it is plus 3c. So it will become minus 3c, square bracket closed. In the next step, now 2b plus 2b is 4b. Right. So 4b minus 3a minus 3c. Now we are removing the square bracket or the big bracket. So it becomes a minus 4b plus 3a plus 3c. Now the answer will be a plus 3a is 4a. So 4a minus 4b plus 3c. Okay. Now question number 8. Minus x plus square bracket open 5y minus middle bracket open x minus small bracket 5y minus 2x smaller bracket closed, middle bracket closed, square bracket closed. Now first we will remove the smaller bracket, then the middle bracket followed by the square bracket, right? So our statement will be minus x plus big bracket open 5y minus smaller bracket middle bracket open x. Now minus a sign is there, so 5y will become minus 5y, and minus 2x is there, so it will become plus 2x. Then again in the next step what we will do, minus x plus inside the big bracket it is 5y minus, now x plus 2x is 3x and 5y minus 5y is there. Again in the next step now we will remove the middle bracket, so it will become minus x plus big bracket open 5y minus 3x plus 5y. Now this 5y plus 5y will become 10y minus 3x. So it is minus x big bracket open 10y minus 3x big bracket closed. Now minus x plus 10y minus 3x. Now minus x and minus 3x becomes minus 4x plus 10y, which is our answer. Next question number 9 is 86 minus big bracket open 15x minus 7 smaller bracket open 6x minus 9 smaller bracket closed minus 2 middle bracket open 10x minus 5 smaller bracket open 2 minus 3x. Now class, you have to take care of the brackets as well as the sign, and please don't step jump. We will remove the brackets one by one starting from the smaller, middle to the big bracket. So in the first line 86 minus big bracket open 15x minus, now 7 is there, minus 7 is there rather, so minus 7 into 6x is minus 42x. Then again minus 7 into minus 9 is plus 63. Then again minus sign is there, 2 middle bracket open 10x minus 5 is there, so it will be minus 10, and minus 5 into minus 3x is plus 15x. Middle bracket closed, big bracket closed. In the next step 86 minus big bracket open 15x minus 42x plus 63. Now we are multiplying it. Okay, either you can solve it also also, but here we are multiplying it. So it is minus 2 into 10, minus 20x, minus 2 into minus 10 plus 20, and minus 2 into plus 15 is minus 30x. Now sometimes I have solved within the brackets and sometimes I have written it, solved it like this. You can do it in both the ways. There are many ways in which a sum can be do, provided you are doing it with the right step, with the right symbol, and you are not step jumping, right? So then again what we are doing, we are removing this square bracket also. So we are writing it as 86 minus 15x plus 42x minus 63 plus 20x minus 20 plus 30x. So writing all the like terms together and solving them. Do the solve side by side here. Okay, I have solved it and the answer is 3 plus 77x. Now your homework is question number 4 and question number 10. Right class? And next class we will do the remaining sums. So please solve them in your copy properly, and if you have any doubt you will be asking me. Thank you class.